Hello everyone, this is Avika Gaur. I'm 13 years old and I'm residing in Doha, Qatar. Today I'm going to walk you through all the projects that I had completed during the crash course with Clevered, and I'm going to demonstrate each one of them, tell you a few things about the project. So let's get started. The very first project that I had made was basically a conversation, a very simple conversation, just like one humans would have, in real life. So this conversation was between two characters in the computer, and it was using text to speech. So I was using the speaking block where I only use two blocks, wait and speak, and generate a pretty smooth conversation. This will help us to entertain ourselves by creating short and cute conversations, and at the same time learn and revise the text-to-speech coding because it's absolutely simple and you're getting best of the best results using just the simplest of codes that you could. So let's have a look at how it is.
Hello.
How are you? Hi, I am good. How about you?
I am great too.
What are your plans for the vacation?
Well, I was thinking to visit my hometown.
Even I wanted to go, but because of the pandemic, all our plans got cancelled.
Yes, even our plan isn't finalized yet. I have my fingers crossed.
I am bored sitting at home. It's almost 2 years now.
Anyways, have you heard of the game Among Us?
So it will just continue in the same pattern, they're going to keep asking each other questions and answer the same. As I just said, it's just like two humans are interacting to each other. So using this simple coding that I've done, we can generate a pretty good conversation. So moving on to the next project. This was a speech-to-text project. So in this one, not only is it going to recognize what I speak, so let's say I just ask it anything, it's going to show what I've said, convert it into text in the last thing spoken, and then it's going to answer my question using the speaking block, using which we had created a conversation earlier in project one. So it's embedding both the blocks that we've learned till now in one project. So it shows, intermingling of two different projects. So let's have a look at how this weather bot actually works.
Name the city and I will tell you the weather.
Dubai.
24 degrees Celsius. Anything else?
New York. New York. See, it's just a computer. New York. New York.
-7 degrees Celsius.
Cape Town.
22 degrees Celsius. Next, what do you want to know?
So as we can see, this weather bot is just like any other bot. Like we use Google Assistants and so many different search engines to, get the information we want. So the same way, we can just name any random city and we'll tell you the accurate weather of that city. And it is rule-based, as you can see, and it is using, again, very simple block coding. And it's working on the very simple say a formula, speech to text, and it'll help us to maybe create and generate more bots like this. It can be bot on anything, and we can learn more. So at the end, I would really like to thank the team of mentors that I had got from Tevered, Miss Money and Miss Smita, because without them, it would have been a very hard task, I must say, to create these projects. So it's my pleasure that I got a chance to learn from them. And also, I would like to thank my parents for enrolling me in this crash course because I've got to know pretty much, everything about artificial intelligence, and in the field of block coding, I've actually tried my hands out, and it's been a wonderful experience. So I hope you liked my projects. So thank you.